Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to set up mobile internet for Samsung Galaxy A6 2018. Let's begin. Click Settings. Click Connections. Click Mobile Networks. Click Access Point Names. Click which SIM you would use for mobile internet. Then click back until you get to home screen. Swipe down to turn on your mobile data and you're ready to surf. If these steps still do not work, turn on data roaming. How to do that? Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, click Access Point Names, turn on data roaming. It's just like we went back from the beginning. And then click back until you get to home screen and swipe down to open your mobile data. You should be able to surf now. However, if these steps still do not work for you, check its APN settings, as some are done manually. How to do this? You could see this and do it again. Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, click APN. And in APN, you'll see name, APN, and so on, username, password. Only these four information you are supposed to get from your internet service provider. Once you have written down the answer to those, then you are ready to click Save. You may need to restart your mobile, then turn on your mobile data, and you're ready to surf. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.